Do you have a problem where your Safari browser is getting slow, or you want to clear your browsing history for privacy reasons? Then follow my steps, because I will show you two different ways to clear your Safari history on your iPhone or iPad. So after this, you will be able to free up storage space and protect your privacy. Just make sure to watch the video until the very end so you don't miss any steps. Let's start by opening our Safari web browser, and then I'm going to click on these three dots that are located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and now you'll tap on Bookmarks, which will open another section in the Safari app where you'll be able to see all of these different sections. You can see your bookmarks, your reading list, but if we click on the very right of the screen, you're going to see the History section, which is just what we need. Now, in order to delete specific websites which you had searched for and visited, just swipe over that website from the right side to the left and tap on Delete. But what if you want to clear all of your searches completely? In that case, you'll want to tap the three dots which are located at the top, Clear, and you can then select if you want to delete all of the websites you visited from the last hour, from today, and yesterday. But you also have the ability to clear all of your history, which is just what I'll do. Tap on the red Clear History button, and that's it. But there is a second way on how we can do this if the first method doesn't work for you for some reason, and that is to open the settings on your iPhone. Use this little search bar at the bottom of the page in order to look for Safari. Once we open the Safari settings page, they're going to look something like this. So just go down and then click on this blue button called Clear History and Website Data. After you tap on that button, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm. This is your last chance to change your mind, because once you tap Clear History and Data on this pop-up, everything will be deleted. This includes your browsing history, cookies, and other browsing data. So just tap on that red button to confirm. And that's it. Your Safari history has now been completely cleared using the second method. Both methods work perfectly, so you can use whichever one is more convenient for you.